Welcome to the Dark Side Jeans Sewing Workshop. My name is Isabel. I am the founder and designer behind Izzie, formerly Forest and Thread. I have a deep love of design details, very high-end finishes, and so I try and infuse my sewing patterns with a lot of those details. So in the Dart Side Jeans, you're going to come across some bias-bound seams. The bottom edge of the interior waistband is instructed to be finished with bias binding. In this workshop, I'll cover everything in great detail. So this is a Mara 30 top stitching thread. I recommend soaking your fabric. When you get to that mark that we just did, go ahead and pivot your needle. So now all of the raw edges should be enclosed. Pivot your needle, so 2 to 3 stitch lengths over. So you're going to want to just ease it a little bit